Here I have ALCATEL Pop C2 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding simultaneously these two keys, release all buttons as soon as ALCATEL One-Touch Pop C2 logo pops up on the screen, and this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you may also apply update from the cache. You can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset, you can wipe cache partition, backup user data and restore user data. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose Reboot System Now and let's press power key to choose it. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent. As you can see, the home screen pops up, so it means that the device is in a normal mode. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.